Save5 Laundromat is a self-service laundry shop dedicated to providing customer satisfaction. It has utilized a revolutionary laundry concept in providing a clean, friendly, and enjoyable atmosphere for its customers. Our mission is simple. It is embedded in our name to give clients the great opportunity to save on 5 things: electricity, time, money, effort, and water.
Pag nag-hand wash ka, kalahating araw bago ka matapos maglaba.
Parang maghapon, syempre, sampay pa, tapos kukunin mo pa, tutupin pa. 2 araw po inaabot yung labahin namin dahil 6 na tao po kami sa bahay. Pagod ka na, masakit pa yung ulo mo, tapos yung likod mo masakit.
That's why we guarantee customers to have the most reliable and affordable laundromat service. Powered by Maytag, a highly efficient and durable USA-made washers and dryers, we assure consumers to clean and take care of their valued garments.
Kaya naisipan namin magpa-laundry na lang ng mga damit namin.
Mabilis lang po namin siya nakukuha kasi wala pa naman siyang 1 hour. So, mas pinili namin ng mag-laundry shop.
Laundry is one of the most demanding chores of the family. We will modernize laundry system from hand washing to bright and state-of-the-art laundry centers that are most efficient, faster, and more cost-effective.
We at Save5 Philippines have always envisioned our company to become the dominant laundromat chain in the country. And we want to set a high standard for the laundry industry, and we want to build Save5 as the brand that they can trust.
Dadalian din po kami. Mula noon, dito na po kami naglalabas sa Save5.
Convenient naman sa amin.
Nakasipa ka, makapahinga ka pa.
Mabilis lang naman, madali lang naman siya gamitin. Ilalagay mo lang yung damit mo doon, tapos mag-antayin ka na lang, masulit talaga.
No matter how good or bad the economy is, clean clothes are always a necessity of modern life. As the laundry business is dealt with cash, business owners are assured of strong cash flow and no risk of bad debts. Franchising is the perfect direction for us. Our goal is to reach 300 stores in the next 5 years. And to accelerate this growth, we need the right people in the right places, their passions and skills.
Save5 Philippines has continued to grow from 1 store to 26 stores in 5 cities in just less than 2 years. Our vision is to put Save5 self-service laundry in every corner and every community across the country. We believe our company can make life easier for every Filipino. Following our motto, pag-anin ang buhay ng bawat Filipino.